Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students of class 8, this is Mrs. Kausar Imran with your next English lesson about the hour of heroism. That's the next chapter we are going to do. That's Unit 2, Section 2, page number 47 of your course book. Today we are discussing the difficult vocabulary. All the difficult vocabulary we are going to discuss here. The very first word is tsunami. Yes, it's tsunami. T is silent. You will be surprised most probably. What is the meaning of this tsunami? Tsunami is an extremely large wave in the sea. Large, giant wave in the sea which is caused by an earthquake. Earthquake means zalzala. Because of some earthquake, some large wave, very big wave, extremely large wave is caused, that is called tsunami. Second word is trauma. It's also a noun. Actually, this means great shock or sadness. Great shock or sadness. The third word is paralysis. This is also a noun. It's total inability to move, act, function, etc. Inability means you cannot do anything. Someone cannot do, is not able to do something. What someone is not able to do? Totally, completely, someone is not able to move or act or function. Function means work. Any kind of work. Debris, pieces from something that has been destroyed, especially in an accident. Debris are pieces. Okay? Malba. Paddling is verb. Walking in water that is not very deep. You might have seen someone walking in a mud or in low level water. The way you walk, it's actually paddling. Lurching means making sudden, unsteady movements, forward or backward. Okay, normally boats, ships, they make the lurching movements. You can also use the word lurching for buses. Okay. Next list we are having of difficult vocabulary. Fate means destiny or luck. Fate means luck. It's a noun. Stern is basically a part of a ship. Amusement. Have you heard the word amusement parks? Yes, that's actually the fun or enjoyment parks. Realized means understanding. He realized that this has happened to him, anything. So it means understood. He understood. Drifted, floating or go with the flow. Drifted word is also used as something that is on the, floating with the water. Floating at the top of water. Mostly after flood or something, some pieces of wood or some pieces of destroyed building or maybe car or anything like that. It's there. So drifted means floating. Next we are having the word contented. Contented means happy or satisfied. It's an adjective. Concentrate, it's a verb, means focus or think. You need to focus, you need to concentrate on your studies. Bystanders. Bystander means eyewitnesses or passerby. People who are standing and watching. People who were there when this accident happened. They were the bystander. Obvious. It is obvious. It is clear. This is adjective. Riverbank. Riverbank is the land above the edge of the river. The land above the edge of the river. You can call it in Urdu, Darya ka kinara. Although even if, while. The POS is conjunction. Although, even if, or while. Although this happened, although something bad happened, he is still fine. Okay? Now, for making sentences, as you can see in the next slide, is homework. Homework is you need to copy all these words down. First, you need to copy all these words and then make sentences. Can we go back to the first slide to see if we can make sentences one after another? All right, let's see. If we can go back for the words tsunami. Okay. People were shocked to see tsunami for the very first time. Or approaching tsunami left many people speechless. Trauma. She was still in trauma after the accident. Or after this accident, he is still suffering with its trauma. Paralysis. After the nerve damage, old men suffered paralysis. Or maybe you can write something like this. He felt like he's having an attack of paralysis. Debris. Several people were injured by flying debris in the explosion. Bomb explosion or any explosion. The sea brought all the debris on the shore. Paddling. While I was paddling, something nipped my toe. The dog was paddling furiously after the ducks. Lurching. The boat was lurching in the river. Or the wounded man was lurching across the room. Fate. There is no escape from fate. It was his fate to see his fame. Stern, part of the ship, the back end of the ship or a boat. He was working at the stern on the boat. The hook at the stern of the ship caught a big dolphin. Amusement. The only giveaway was the look of amusement in her eyes. The child smiled in amusement. Realized. Realized. He realized that it is very difficult for him to come out of the situation. Now they realize the problems in the system. Drifted. His voice tailed off as he drifted into sleep. The crowd drifted out after the football game. Contented. We wish that you will be contented every year. He is contented with his salary. Concentrate. I can't concentrate on my work. He decided to concentrate all his effort on his studies. Bystanders. An innocent bystander kneeled over the poor chap. A bystander was killed when she was caught in the accident. Obvious. It's obvious from what she said that something is wrong. Her obvious popularity made me feel inferior or bad. River bank. We tied up our stuff at the river bank. There were several people at the river bank. Although it rains, we must not throw out our watering pot. Although he is working hard, he still has a long way to go. Now, you can understand what is the second part. Make sentences of your own. Please try to avoid the sentences that we have discussed just now. Try to make your own sentences of all these words in your copy. First give the title page and then copy it down, all the meanings, then just making the sentences. Okay? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.